like my new truck? Vanilla Gorilla. Well, as you can see, Kaylee's truck still does not drive. Doesn't have wheels and tires. We ordered her wheels and tires, but they will be at the Custom Offsets warehouse, and they won't be here yet. So we needed wheels to drive her truck around because I blew up my truck. So I went on Facebook, I scoured the internet, and found the cheapest wheels and tires I could find. Now they're really ugly, so don't get upset. Like I'm gonna be kind of embarrassed to drive this truck around, but I got these 24x14 American Forces and 37s, just as a temporary set. Oh god! Oh god! Don't let him go! Shoot! I don't know if oh my god! Don't let him go!
Oh, he sucked. Remember, guys, wear your helmets.
Like spiders in my mouth. Ew. Pulling up to the shop, more like the truck meet. Got Logan's single cab Duramax. Got this Duramax dually. Got Logan's wife's truck. I think he got it all fixed up since he blew up the drive shaft doing that tug of war 2 weekends ago.
Stop it.
This thing is clean. Follow her on the gram. What the heck is this thing? Sheesh. Imagine this sitting up like, oh, well, my truck's hidden right now, sitting up like one of these. A boat, another second gen. Yeah, see, tons of room. I think it's bad. He might be building me a donk. We'll see next year. This thing is messed up. Come on, Gabe. You gotta stop doing burnouts. Psych. So I thought my gears would be shredded. Turns out they're fine. Turns out I actually blew the carrier to pieces. Oh yeah. Everybody's got Volkswagens here. What the heck? Maybe I gotta join that gang. So long story short, gotta order a new carrier. Might order some bigger gears so I can roast these 46s off, and a locker. Goodbye, race truck. Goodbye, Big Bertha. A whole lot of money.
go, ever be. Drop some heat on him.
I put on my Instagram to ask me questions for a Q&A, and you guys like flooded it with questions, so I'm gonna answer some. Ready? And then yes.
Ready?
No. That's even better. Okay, go.
What is your overall dream vehicle?
Probably a McLaren. Probably a McLaren 720S or a GTR. Because I already got my dream truck.
Why are you getting rid of your truck?
I'm not. I like joke way too much about getting rid of the truck. I probably am never gonna get rid of that thing. So if you see in a video that I'm getting rid of it, it's probably a joke.
What's top speed?
Yes.
Can I have your truck?
No.
Can we get a mod list?
A mod list. Alright, it's got 20-inch Plan B fab lift. Right now, a 20 by 14 fuel wheels and 20 by 8.25 in the rear because they're dually wheels. 46-inch military tires. Fusion bumpers, color matched everything. TVs on the doors, Scar audio, speakers in all the doors. Rockford Falls gate Bose speakers in the rear. Like a 12-inch tip. S369 turbo. AlphaRex headlights, eBay tail lights and rear third brake light, amp steps, and I'm probably forgetting a lot.
Why don't you buy a new body style Ford?
I have a new body style Ford. You're probably talking about like a 2017 or newer. I like them. I used to love them, but the more I owned my truck, the longer I owned my truck, the more I liked my body style over the new body styles. So I think I'm just gonna stick with my body style. I might get a 2020 F450 one day.
How much were the boggers?
How much did they run? I traded at, okay, Lone Star Throwdown 2019 or 2019? Lone Star Throwdown 2019.
2020.
Was it 2020?
What is this year?
What is this year? Lone Star Throwdown 2020, I met up with Full Force Off-Road, and I traded my 26 by 16 American Forces on 40-inch Fury tires. I traded them during the show for the 26s and 44s. Straight up, straight trade.
What's the best first truck for a high schooler or college kid?
Probably, okay, if you like Ford, probably a 7.3 if you can find one without rust, but we live in Illinois, so that's like impossible. Or like a 12-valve Cummins. But I've never owned one, so I don't know how reliable they are. You can't go wrong with 7.3. I burnt my 7.3 to the ground. I drove the crap out of that. I did burnouts like every single football game, and it like never broke. So probably a 7.3.
What's your favorite part about owning a massive beast? Also, keep up the good work. Love the truck.
Thank you. Probably all the attention it gets. You can't drive that truck without I get surprised if people drive next to me and they aren't hanging out the window staring at it. So either the attention or the reactions as well, because like you drive through a McDonald's drive-through and they freak out.
Who's the badass that you sold your 30s to?
I sold
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I sold it to this really weird ass redneck from. No, I'm just kidding. I sold him to wc.hank on Instagram. He's building like the biggest second gen ever, so go follow him.
Favorite thing about the truck?
My favorite thing is the dualies. Oh yeah, it's a dually conversion. I forgot that for the mod list. It's not. I didn't buy a dually. Like I bought a single rear wheel and I made it a dually. So yeah.
How much money did your truck cost?
I bought it for like too much.
Are you ever gonna hold your own truck meet?
I am. I plan on it. I'm probably not going to do it this year, but once the weather gets nice next year, me and a whole bunch of people are going to collaborate and host a big truck meet. It's in the works.
How did you learn to be so handy on trucks?
I'm not. I literally I watch YouTube videos until I figure out how to do stuff. Like the turbo kit took us 5 days.
Yes.
The turbo kit took us 5 days. I don't not know what I'm doing. I've been wrenching with my grandpa since I could walk, but I'm not an expert at all.
Every single one of us had a hand in that. Me,
Yeah.
Savannah,
Everybody,
Gabe,
the whole freaking neighborhood was out
Haley. Yeah.
hanging in my hood. trying to
Everybody
figure
has a
out.
piece of soot from Gabe's truck in them.
Freaking Jake from the gym, Chris came over, everybody came over. It was pretty fun.
Are you gonna get a wrap in the future?
Thinking about it. I don't know if I'm gonna do wrap or paint, but my goal is to change the color of that truck at some point.
Are you ever gonna do a giveaway?
Yeah. Well, I can't tell him about that.
He's gonna try to.
Why did you change your truck from nice to just plain redneck?
I'm assuming you're saying, why did I go from 30s to dualies? 1, because I like to run stuff over. 2, I felt bad for taking those wheels in the creek. Kind of, because they could be on a nice truck, not being put in a creek. And W, because I wanted a dually, but I didn't want to go buy another one. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sending in your questions. I hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to have fun with your life.